Python programming language is a versatile and powerful tool for a wide range of applications, such as web development, scientific computing, data analysis, artificial intelligence, and more. Here are the best ways to learn Python and the resources to build each type of application. Web development. Python is great for building web applications using frameworks like Django and Flask. To learn web development with Python, try the Django for Beginners book and the official Django documentation. Also, Flask Mega-Tutorial by Miguel Grinberg is a good resource. Scientific computing. Python is a popular choice for scientific computing and data analysis due to its powerful libraries such as NumPy, SciPy, and pandas. To learn scientific computing with Python, check out the Python Data Science Handbook by Jake VanderPlas. Data analysis. Python is a great choice for data analysis and visualization using libraries like pandas, matplotlib, and Seaborn. To learn data analysis with Python, try the Python for Data Analysis book by Wes McKinney and the Data Wrangling with Python tutorial by Kevin Markham. Artificial intelligence. Python is a popular choice for AI and machine learning with powerful libraries such as TensorFlow, Keras, and scikit-learn. To learn AI and machine learning with Python, check out the Hands-on Machine Learning with Scikit-learn and TensorFlow book by Aurélien Giron and the Introduction to Machine Learning with Python tutorial by Andreas Müller and Sarah Guido. Web scraping. Python is great for web scraping using libraries like Beautiful Soup and Scrappy. To learn web scraping with Python, try the Web Scraping with Python book by Ryan Mitchell and the Web Scraping Using Python tutorial by Ronak Singh. Here's the list of some tools available to learn Python. Anaconda, a distribution of Python and are for scientific computing and data science. It comes with a package manager, Conda, and a collection of pre-installed packages. Jupyter Notebook, an open-source web application that allows you to create and share documents that contain live code, equations, visualizations, and narrative text. PyCharm, a popular integrated development environment, IDE, for Python. And here are some popular libraries. NumPy, a library for the Python programming language, adding support for large, multi-dimensional arrays and matrices, along with a large collection of high-level mathematical functions. SciPy, a library for scientific and technical computing in Python. Pandas, a library for data manipulation and analysis. Matplotlib, a plotting library for creating static, animated, and interactive visualizations in Python. Seaborn, a library for creating statistical graphics in Python. TensorFlow, a library for machine learning and deep learning. Keras, a high-level neural networks API, written in Python and capable of running on top of TensorFlow. Scikit-learn, a library for machine learning in Python. Beautiful Soup, a library for web scraping in Python. Scrappy, a library for web scraping and data extraction in Python. Some popular books include Python Crash Course by Eric Mattis, Fluent Python by Luciano Hamalio, Python Tricks, a buffet of awesome Python features by Dan Bader, Python for Data Science Handbook by Jake VanderPlas, Automate the Boring Stuff with Python by Al Swagart, Data Wrangling with Python by Kevin Markham. And lastly, here's the list of some popular online courses available to learn Python. Codecademy's Learn Python track. This is an interactive and comprehensive course that covers the basics of Python, as well as more advanced topics such as object-oriented programming, file I/O, and web scraping. Coursera's Python for Everybody Specialization. This is a series of 5 courses that cover the basics of Python programming, as well as how to use Python for data analysis, web scraping, and databases. EDX's Introduction to Python, Absolute Beginner. This course is designed for those who have no prior programming experience and covers the basics of Python, including data types, control structures, and functions. Solo Learn's Learn Python. This course is designed for beginners and covers the basics of Python programming, as well as more advanced topics such as object-oriented programming and data analysis. DataCamp's Python tutorials. DataCamp offers a wide range of Python tutorials, from the basics of the language to more advanced topics such as machine learning and data visualization. Udemy. Udemy offers a wide range of Python courses and tutorials, with many of them being self-paced and have lifetime access. Thanks for watching.